guys, this is Adri, and today I'm going to share with you tips on how to maximize the use of your ingredients. The star of this recipe is butternut squash. I love it so much. That's why I'm going to make a delicious mac and cheese. So let's get started. The first step, I'm going to start making my sauce. I'm preheating the oven at 400 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to need a medium-sized butternut squash, fresh garlic, cooked white beans, nutritional yeast, smoked paprika, Dijon mustard, salt, plant-based milk, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I have the pasta over here. It's not the traditional one, it's a little bit longer. 3 types of cheeses, Emmental, Gruyere, and cheddar. Okay, so I'm gonna peel the butternut squash, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my butternut squash. I'm gonna make sure to cut it as thin as possible so it cooks faster. So now we're also gonna save the seeds because we're gonna put them in the oven as well. So with a spoon, carefully remove all the seeds. Look at that. And now I'm gonna cut the garlic. I'm gonna put it in this tray with a little bit of salt, olive oil, and roast it until it's very, very soft. Alright, so a little bit of olive oil, and this is ready to put it in the oven. While the butternut squash and the garlic is cooking in the oven, I'm going to start making the crumble. The seed crumble, and I'm going to make it with half of sunflower seeds, a little bit of olive oil or salt, and our butternut squash seeds. I'm going to toast them until they're crunchy and golden brown. Once they're golden brown like this, put them in a kitchen paper towel to absorb all the oil. And now we're going to put a little bit of salt. Now the pasta in 9 to 10 minutes depending on which pasta are you using. For the skins, a little bit of oil. Try to put as little as you can. We don't want to overcrowd the pan. Nice and crispy. Alright, my pasta is ready, and I'm going to start making the sauce. I'm going to do half of the butternut squash and the garlic, the white beans, smoked paprika. Mine is a little bit spicy, and a little bit of the milk. So this is the consistency of the sauce. Super smooth and silky. Add this to my pasta. The mac and cheese with the sauce, pasta. I'm gonna add a little bit of our seeds on top, and then the rest I'm gonna use them for garnish, and lots of cheese on top. And then we're gonna pop it in the oven. All right, so I have my oven at 400 Fahrenheit. I wanna melt the cheese until it's all golden brown. This is the final result. Smells so good. So now I'm gonna add my garnishes. All right, so a little bit of this on top. Wow, you're gonna love this. It's so good. You have to make this at home. See you next time.